Greetings to you all and welcome back to this channel once again. So on today's video we are live in Fege, Onitsha, and this is where the Anambra state government talking about the Soludo's administration started from the scratch to construct this magnificent general hospital in Fege. And just for the record, Fege have not had a specialist hospital before now, but the Anambra state government talking about the Soludo's administration out of its magnanimity have constructed a quite befitting structure in this Fege axis of Onitsha. And to be sincere with you, this facility has also been equipped or partly equipped with standard equipment. Don't worry, I'm going to take you right within this structure. We are going to go around inside this structure and you would see what it looks like, and also you will see the wonderful work of the Soludo's administration in Anambra State. Guys, as we can see already, the health sector is not left behind. This administration is practically touching every sector of the economy, bringing it back to life again. And just as you can see, there is an ample space within this facility, and it's so magnificent and so beautiful already. You can see what the whole place is looking like. Not to worry, we are already going towards upstairs so that I'll show you guys what is going on at the top floor of this building. I must tell you guys the way it is. I am impressed with what I saw on ground, and at the same time I'm giving all the applause to the current governor of Anambra State, talking about Governor Professor Chukwuma Charles Soludo. The man is on fire, and the man is doing what none other has done in the state, I believe, since its conception. So right now we are right at the top floor of this particular specialist general hospital that is being constructed in Fege, and I'm going to show you guys the partly equipped rooms within this facility. Also, if this is your first time of coming across this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel, comment, share, and don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. And at the same time, I would love to hear from you. I would love to hear your thoughts. I would love to hear your commendations. I would love to hear your advices. I would love you to air your views, whatever it is you think about this particular project that the state government is doing right now in the Fege axis of Onitsha. Please do well to share with us on the comment section so that we all would be on the same page together. To be sincere with you, like I said before, now I'm so impressed, and like I've always said to you guys, Anambra as a state is a construction site, and this is just one of those beautiful projects, talking about legacy projects that the Soludo administration is delivering on ground. What else can we say? To be sincere, we can say nothing less other than to say thank you to this administration for what it is doing, and also plead and ask that they do more, because a lot wonderful jobs have been done on ground already, and to be sincere with you, there are still a lot more to be done. But notwithstanding, we believe and we are totally optimistic that this administration would not let us down. Looking at the way they have been going so far, so good, it is totally in the right direction, and most of these projects that the state government is delivering are quality projects, top notch, and on the best side of the state's future. So guys, right now you can see what this facility is looking like. like I said earlier, the health sector is not left behind, and this is not just the only place we have such constructions going on. I'm going to be bringing you guys wonderful updates on this channel, talking about fresh updates, wonderful updates, interesting updates on this channel. So just in case you have not subscribed, I urge you to please subscribe to keep yourself updated, because there are a lot more of these going on in Anambra State, and we are going to start picking them one after the other to showcase to you on this channel. You can see what the water facility is already looking like. This is quite impressive, and also within this water facility section, we can also have, there's a space where the generator that is for electricity would be also placed. So it's a total full package facility, and it's quite standardized to an extent. So please don't forget to air your views, air your thoughts, and if you know things about this project that we don't know about, please do share with us on the comment section. We will be glad to hear from you. This is live in Fege, Onitsha, and like I've told you earlier, Fege have not had a specialist general hospital ever before now. This is the first time such a project is coming to Fege, Onitsha, and it is a very, very good one. Seriously speaking, the state government really made a very bold step to have constructed a specialist general hospital in Fege, Onitsha. I am so impressed. And at the same time, if you have watched up to this point, I would love to say thank you so very much. God bless you, and see you on our next epic video coming your way. All the same, don't forget to subscribe, just in case you have not subscribed already.